Transform tiny courtyards and tropical gardens into luxurious retreats. Small space, big style. Step into a world where small spaces bloom with endless possibilities. Imagine transforming even the smallest courtyards and lush tropical gardens into luxurious retreats brimming with charm and sophistication. This inspiring guide will be your roadmap, revealing how to make the most out of every inch with clever layouts, stunning focal decor, and lush greenery that breathes life into your outdoor oasis. Whether you dream of a cozy nook for morning coffee or a vibrant garden escape, this journey will help you create a space that feels both intimate and expansive. Picture yourself entering your own private paradise, where every detail is a testament to elegance and tranquility. With cascading vines and towering tropical palms creating a natural canopy, your garden can become a sanctuary of peace. Thoughtfully placed water features and ambient lighting can enhance the sense of serenity, blending nature seamlessly with luxury. Learn how to incorporate statement pieces like elegant seating, artistic planters, and eye-catching decor that elevate the ambience. Even in a compact space, each element can work harmoniously to suit the soul and ignite joy every time you step outside. The art of maximizing a small space begins with smart planning. Embrace vertical gardening with walls that burst into life, showcasing a tapestry of greens and blooms that draw the eye upward. Opt for multifunctional furniture that serves both comfort and style, allowing your space to adapt to various needs, from intimate gatherings to solitary relaxation. Stylish pergolas or awnings can provide shelter and serve as a beautiful architectural feature, transforming your courtyard into a versatile retreat. Color and texture play pivotal roles in creating an inviting atmosphere. Infuse your garden with rich hues and tactile surfaces, from the lush green of ferns to the vibrant colors of flowering plants, creating contrast and interest. Accent these natural elements with carefully chosen decor pieces that reflect your personal style, such as ceramic pots, woven rugs, or even a quaint bistro set. These personalized touches contribute to a luxurious feeling, making your outdoor area a true reflection of your taste. This guide invites you to reimagine what's possible, regardless of your outdoor area's size. Embrace the magic of lush textures, vibrant colors, and personalized touches that make your space uniquely yours. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newcomer to the world of horticulture, these tips will not only help you make the most of your environment, but also inspire a retreat that feels like a 5-star getaway right at home. Let's transform your tiny courtyard or tropical garden into a luxurious haven where relaxation and style go hand in hand. Dive into this creative endeavor and explore the freedom to express your individuality through garden design. Invest in quality materials that will withstand the elements and time, ensuring your sanctuary remains beautiful for years to come. With patience, creativity, and passion, any small space can flourish into an extraordinary retreat. Open the door to your outdoor paradise and relish in the beauty of a meticulously curated garden that offers both escape and delight. As you embark on this transformative journey, remember, luxury isn't about space, it's about creating an experience that resonates with comfort, elegance, and personal significance.